In this video, I'm going to show you how to review a Cash App sponsorship. So Cash App is a full service banking and investing app. You have a cash balance, savings, Bitcoin, stocks, paychecks. You can even file your taxes. You have a card where you can spend your balance and get discounts, and you can do peer-to-peer payments. Now, along with all of this comes a feature where if you're an adult, you can have people that are under 18 sort of under your account where you act as a sponsor. So people under 18 can make an account and then request you to be their sponsor. And you have some control over their account, probably see their balance, how much they're spending, things like that. But also along with this, people will see like my username and then request me to be their sponsor. So I'm going to show you either way how you can review and accept or decline these sponsorships. You want to go to the activity tab in the bottom right of the tab bar and then scroll down until you see the sponsorship request. From there you can just tap view. This is going to give you some more information. It's going to ask if I want to be a sponsor of this person's account. It would give them a debit card, direct deposit, and a way to save. As a sponsor, you can view their activity and set limits, and you can help them with investing in stocks and Bitcoin. So I'm not going to go through with this. I'm not going to continue. I don't know this person, so I'm just going to tap decline. You decline this request, tap continue. And then you can select why you decline their request. I always tap I don't know this person because usually it's just random people requesting me. And I think if I select that I don't know this person, it won't let them request me again. Because sometimes I've had it where they request me over and over and over and I have to block them. I'm just going to tap submit. Thank you for sharing your feedback. And there we go. I declined that sponsorship request. So there's how it works, how to find their requests, and how to accept or decline. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.